Today in beautiful Tulsa, Oklahoma, we're discussing long-distance driving tips to keep your car running smoothly on those epic road trips. Sonia, what should drivers know before they hit the road?
Long-distance driving can really test your vehicle. It's important to prepare your car to handle hours of continuous operation. The first place to start before you hit the road is to check your vehicle's fluids, like oil and coolant, to make sure everything is at the right level and condition. Also, keep a printed map and share your itinerary with family and friends just in case.
Sounds like preparation can prevent a lot of problems.
Yes, and don't forget your tires. Make sure they are properly inflated and have enough tread. This not only helps with fuel efficiency, but also safety, reducing the risk of blowouts on the road.
Okay, so check my fluids and tires, got it. What about once we're on the road?
Absolutely. When you're driving longer stretches, using cruise control can actually help you maintain a steady speed and reduce fuel consumption. It's important to think ahead and stop regularly for gas and rest. Remember, brakes not only help you stay alert, but also give your car a chance to cool down, which is especially important in hot weather.
And if the unexpected happens, CarShield helps with coverage for those repairs you can't plan for.
That's right. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure to visit CarShield TV for more tips on keeping your car in top shape.